The old saying, as slow as molasses in January, describes viscosity, an important property of liquids. Under room temperature conditions, molasses is a thick, viscous liquid that pours slowly. It is a sugar, and there are strong attractions between the molecules. When the temperature decreases, that attraction between the molecules becomes even stronger because there is not enough kinetic energy to let the particles fall apart, and the molasses flows more slowly. This is the reason why, as slow as molasses in January accurately reflects the behavior of molasses. Surface tension is another property of liquids. Water bugs use surface tension to run along the top of water. Dewdrops hold together because of the same phenomenon. The reason for surface tension is that the molecules at the surface of the liquid have attractive forces downwards and sideways, but not upward. That imbalance of forces results in a stronger attraction to neighboring particles at the surface and results in the surface tension. Liquids with differing chemical compositions have different levels of viscosity and surface tension. Water, however, has some unusual properties. A water molecule is H2O, two hydrogen atoms linked with one oxygen atom. There is a strong bond within the molecule, but there is also a strong attraction between molecules of water, because the hydrogen atoms of one molecule are attracted to the oxygen atom of another molecule. This intermolecular force gives water its unique characteristics. Because of the strength of this intermolecular force, it takes quite a lot of heat to pull the molecules of water apart and become a gas. As a result, water has a high boiling or evaporation point relative to other liquids, and it can absorb or release large quantities of heat. This has very important consequences for weather patterns on the globe. Land that is close to large bodies of water usually has moderate temperatures, and there is frequently heavy rainfall in mountains because as the air rises, the temperature drops, and it cannot hold as much water. Perhaps the most unusual property of water is that its density when it is a solid, ice, is less than its density when it is a liquid. Almost no other substance has this characteristic. The reason for this is that the hydrogen bonds of the water molecule keep other molecules from getting close. When water is in the form of ice, it results in fewer molecules in a given volume, and thus gives the ice a lower density and allows it to float on top of the water.